everyone, we're the Royal Paints and we're going to be talking about Catcher in the Rye, exposition. Exposition is a literary term that refers to the part of a story that introduces the setting, characters, and circumstances at the story's beginnings. As seen on this paper, exposition is being compared to seeds that are being sprouted. The sprouting of the seed represents the beginning of its life, which is how it connects to the exposition of a book. Characters. Holden Caulfield, the protagonist of the novel. He has been expelled of 3 schools and now he became expelled of Pensy Prep, his current school. Holden loves to smoke a lot. It makes him relax. Jane Gallagher, the girl whom Holden has spent a lot of time with during summer. Jane is extremely important to Holden because she is one of the few girls whom he both respects and finds attractive. Setting. Setting is a place where something is or where an event takes place in. The hill is the first setting that is described in the story. Here we have it in Applewood cities in the middle to represent New York, which is known as the Big Apple. Here's where the book takes place in Alhambra, Pennsylvania. Now here we have a Cadillac to represent the time era in which the story takes place, which is around the 1950s. In this corner we have a building referring to the board school named Pensy Prep, where Holden goes to school but not for long. Important details. Ducks in the lagoon. Holden asks a variety of people what they think happens to the ducks in the Central Park Lagoon. This could possibly represent Holden's quest to find some sort of meaning in the world he finds uninteresting. Holden's red hat. The hat could possibly represent what Holden thinks of himself. He has it on whenever he is trying to be tough and when he has it off in public because he's embarrassed to wear it in public. Football. Holden throwing a football around is one of the memories he has of Pensy. Ali's death. Holden's brother died and Holden was sad and depressed about the situation. Ali was his inspiration. Important events. This baseball glove represents Holden's older brother's death. As seen in the drawing, the glove was special to Holden because it had poems written all over the fingers and the pockets that his brother wrote. The bloody nose represents the fight that Holden had with Stradler. After this fight with Stradler, Holden decides to leave Pensy. The hands represent James and Stradler's date. Holden wasn't very happy with the thought of them going on a date. Finally, the fencing swords represent the sport Holden was in and represents the fact that he got kicked out of the fencing team.